Good morning, grade 12 BST students. Yesterday we had discussed about we had revised about the concepts related to marketing, and we also understood the functions of marketing. In the previous class, we understood about the needs and wants related to marketing. So now we'll see one case study related to the same. These are a few case studies that are frequently appearing in the CBSE board papers. Now let's understand this. Ginika, Tanish and Rohit were friends from college days, and now they are doing different kinds of businesses. All the three friends are now into different kinds of businesses. They meet regularly and discuss their business ideas and exchange notes on customer satisfaction, marketing efforts, product designing, selling techniques, social concerns, etc. Anything that is related to the business, these three people, even though they are into different businesses, but they discuss and they have a conversation, a friendly conversation. In one such meetings, Ginika drew the attention of Tanish and Rohit towards exploitation of consumers. She said that she told that most of the sellers were exploiting the consumers in various ways and were not paying attention towards social, ethical, and ecological aspects of marketing, whereas she was not doing so. Tanish told that they were under pressure to satisfy. Now, Tanish is giving an explanation for Ginika when Ginika said that, consumers are exploited. Tanish said that, he told that they were under pressure to satisfy the consumers, but stated that the consumers would not buy or not buy enough unless they were adequately convinced and motivated for the same. Now, Rohit stressed that the company cannot achieve its objective without understanding the needs of customers. So it was the duty of the businessman to keep the consumer satisfaction in mind because business is run by resources made available to them by the society. He further stated that he himself was taking into consideration the needs of customers. Now the question is, identify the various types of thinking that guided Ginika, Tanishk and Rohit in the marketing efforts of their business. Also state one more feature of the various types of thinking identified that is not given in the above para. So now you have to understand about what are these three friends concerned. Let me recap. Ginika was concerned about the unethical practices that are exploiting the customers. Tanish said that the pressure is so much, according to Tanish, that consumers would not buy enough unless they are adequately consumed. Let the consumer be aware. That is what is a Tanish point. Rohit stresses that the company will not be able to achieve its objectives unless they understand what are the needs of the customers. So these are the keywords. Now let's look at the solution. Ginika is talking about societal marketing concept because the philosophy is both on the needs of the potential buyers as well as concern for the society at large. Exploitation of consumers is actually a crime. She is insisting on it. Tanish is basically focused on selling because he's talking a lot about the pressure and facts that are only focused on selling the product and making profit. So the ends is profit maximization through sales volume. So Tanish is talking about selling concept. When we talk about Rohit, Rohit is focused mainly on the philosophy of customers' needs. When customer is the king, that concept is called marketing concept, right? He was telling that let the business people manufacture products according to the needs and wants of customers. So here he is talking a lot about customer satisfaction. One thing that you could do is see here they have clearly mentioned, also state one more, any other type which is not identified, you can write about the production concept, right? Now let's understand one more question, children. See, Timeline Watch Manufacturing Company is a renowned company. For marketing the watches. It performs various activities like market analysis, product designing, or merchandising, packaging, warehousing, branding, pricing, promotion, selling. Basically, it does everything related to marketing. The company maintains good customer relations through various follow-up activities, that is post sales. This helps the company in procuring repeat sales orders. Name the concept related to the activities mentioned in the above para. What is the concept? Marketing is the concept. It's a complete package, children. See, look at the words. Product designing, market analysis, merchandising, packaging, warehousing, branding. Everything is marketing concept. The two features of marketing that are explained above is needs and wants. We saw the concept related to the features of marketing. So needs and wants. What is marketing? Marketing is a social process. I told you the distinguishing factor between what is the difference between a need and a want. Then creating a market offering, because it says clearly it's a complete package. Product designing, merchandising, packaging, warehousing, everything is done, children. So thereby it is creating a market offering. Such kind of questions may come, and these questions and case studies have been already uploaded in Teams for your reference. Right? So I want you to practice questions and case studies from this area, as well as those questions that have been uploaded already in the Teams. Kindly go through such pattern of questions and solve. Thank you and have a fantastic day.